Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that will help with osteo and rheumatoid arthritis. Ginger can be consumed raw or in powdered form. It can be consumed on its own and can be readily bought as a capsule for oral consumption. It can be brewed as a tea or made into syrup to flavor cold drinks. Ginger can also be applied directly to inflamed areas of the body in the form of a cream or oil. Number 2. Epsom salt. Epsom salt contains magnesium that helps in regulating the levels of alkalinity and acidity in the body. It is essential to balance the pH levels because certain inflammatory diseases such as arthritis are caused by high acidity levels in the body. Mix Epsom salt and fresh lemon juice in equal amounts to half a cup of warm water. Swallow and teaspoon of the mixture twice daily, one in the morning and one at night. You can also put 2 cups of Epsom salt in warm water and soak for about 15 minutes. Number 3. Turmeric. Regular consumption of turmeric can reduce inflammation. It contains curcumin that possesses anti-inflammatory properties. It is particularly good when dealing with rheumatoid arthritis. You can take 1 gram turmeric capsules 3 times per day. You can also drink fresh turmeric juice or a glass of warm milk mixed with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder daily before going to bed. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, which are all helpful in keeping your bones healthy. These minerals can also be helpful in relieving joint pain caused by arthritis and removing toxic build-up in the joints and connective tissues. You can mix the apple cider vinegar with warm water and honey and take the solution in the morning daily. Number 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can be used to relieve arthritis pain due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of honey in a cup of warm water and drink it every morning on an empty stomach. Do this daily for several days. You can also make a paste of cinnamon and honey and massage it gently on the painful area. Number 6. Get more exercise. There are more benefits to exercise than just weight loss. Regular movement helps to maintain flexibility in your joints. Weight-bearing exercises such as running and walking can be damaging. Instead, try low-impact exercise such as water aerobics or swimming to flex your joints without adding further stress. Number 7. Lose weight. Your weight can make a big impact on the amount of pain you experience from arthritis. Extra weight puts more pressure on your joints, especially your knees, hips, and feet. Reducing the stress on your joints by losing weight will improve your mobility, decrease pain, and prevent future damage to your joints. Number 8. Fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are excellent at relieving inflammation and soothing joints. Cold water fish such as salmon and tuna are among the best dietary sources. But your body may need more omega-3s than you can consume from eating fish alone. So talk to your doctor about adding an omega-3 supplement. And always cook with canola oil over corn oil. Canola contains omega-3s while corn oil contains omega-6 fatty acids, which can actually make inflammation and arthritis pain worse.